Hello friends. In our today videos, we will try to learn how we can make our own function in R. It's a very simple, so you can build your function in R and you can use it. So I will show here two simple function first, in which we will calculate the soil weight. So we will write the functions and into x variable and y variables, and then we will write result and then sign 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by x and y. So you will write here equation, and the variables you will write with the function which variable you want in your equation. So which input variable you will have, then print, and then you will close that bracket. So in this way, you now you can see that for soil weight calculations, so we need a x, we have defined a depth of soil, and then bulk density. So we have the depth in meters and bulk density in megagram per meter cubes, and weight will be calculated in megagram. So so this is the length and width in square. So now we have x variable 0.3 and y variable 1.25. So we will run this example, and let's see what soil weight are calculated. So now you can see that R has calculated 3750 megagram soil weight in our condition. So in this way you can solve any equation very simply. So you will write with function what variable you need, then brackets, and result you will write equation here and variable which you are using x and y. So in example you see that we just put the variable x and y, and R has solved all equations and calculated the our values for soil weight. So you can in this way you can solve any equations where in very easy way in R, and this is and you do not need to write whole equations. So first time you develop your own functions, and then you have to change just x and y variables, and you can easily calculate that value. So equations calculation in solving one equation is very easy. Next we see you the another example in which we want to calculate aggregate diameters of our soil particles. So we will write functions and then same a, b, and x variable. So here we want to calculate two things from these three variables. One with MWD is the mean weight diameters, and the equation for that is this thing a plus b bracket 1 over 2 multiplied by x over 2. So our variables are well defined here, a, b, and x. So similarly geometric mean diameter equation is here. So these equations are a, b. So you can see that x over 2 into log a plus b into x over. So this is the whole equation for geometric mean. So we have these functions, and now you we can say we have a value 10, b value is 8, and x value is 4. So we have all three variable we will put here, and now we can see that how R calculate this. Now yes, now you can see that R has calculated geometric mean for us 2.8930, and mean weight diameter is 1.8. So you have seen that R has calculated the two variables to output geometric mean and mean weight diameters. So in this way you can add multiple equations here if you want to calculate. If you have same variables here, and you have, and these variable can be used in different equations, and these equation can be sum up in one function, and you can easily given the value of this variable in R, so you can calculate multiple output here. So I have repeat I'll summarize all things. So you can solve one equations with variables, and you can solve multiple equations through combining these functions in through functions commands, and then R will output different output with the same variables. So this is the how you can make your own function in R. In next video we will see that how we can document these functions, so you have all these things in written form, and other people can also be use these functions. Thank you very much for seeing this. Keep our channel watching and subscribe this channel for more interesting video in learning R. Thank you very much.